Hi guys, I'm Francesca, and this is Fancy TV, a show where you, the viewer, can ask me questions about any topic you're learning about in school, and I'll be sure to answer it. This week on Fancy TV, Chris Jones writes and says, "Hey Francesca, I have a group project on tornadoes due pretty soon, and was wondering if you could tell me some key points about them." Well, Chris, let's start with the basics. The water cycle. Evaporation, transpiration, condensation, and precipitation. Evaporation is when oceans, rivers, lakes, and streams heat up, and the water turns into vapor and goes back into the atmosphere. Transpiration is when water evaporates from the leaves of plants. Condensation is when water vapor in the air cools, changes back into liquid, and combines with small particles to form cloud droplets. Precipitation occurs when so much water has condensed that the cloud cannot hold it any longer and it falls back to the earth as precipitation. Most tornadoes occur in the so-called tornado alley, the tornado-prone region of the United States, from Texas north into Kansas and the surrounding states of the Great Plains region. This area often has three ingredients necessary for tornadoes to form: a lot of warm, moist air close to the ground, atmospheric instability, a condition that promotes the vertical movement of air, and the clashing air fronts that act to propel moist air upward. In Tornado Alley, warm, moist, low-elevation wind from the Gulf of Mexico collides with cool, dry, higher elevation wind coming over the Rocky Mountains. This unstable interaction causes lots of warm air to quickly rise and cool air to fall, which leads to the formation of a supercell, a type of thunderstorm with a long-lived swirling updraft of air. The two opposing winds move at different speeds. The air in between them will rotate around a horizontal axis. If one of the horizontal air columns gets caught in the supercell's updraft, it will vertically form a funnel cloud. For this experiment, you'll need water and an empty soda bottle. First, take your empty soda bottle and remove the cap. Then take the bottle and begin filling the water with it. Be sure to leave a little room at the top. Make sure you put the cap on tightly. Finally, turn your water bottle upside down and begin spinning it in a circular motion until you form a tornado. The continuous upward energy of the supercell elongates the funnel cloud and causes it to spin, tighten, and speed up, similar to the way ice skaters spin faster when their arms are pulled close to their bodies. Rain and hail from the thunderstorm push down on the tail end of the funnel cloud. When the bottom of the funnel cloud finally touches the ground, it becomes our tornado. Well, I hope that helped you out, Chris. That's it for today, so tune in next week for another episode of Fancy TV. Bye!